In Colossians chapter 3 verse 19, sabi doon, Kevin, you need to love Roseanne and do not be harsh. Dapat yung kamay na naka-holding hands na yan, hindi yan kamay na pang self-defense ni Roseanne. Kundi kamay yan na mararamdaman niya na, wow, protected ako. Wow, safe ako. Kasi meron si Kevin. Ganon din naman sa'yo, Roseanne, maramdaman din dapat ni Kevin na, wow, meron akong katuwang. Meron akong kadamay, may mag-hinkari sa akin, may kasama ako. Dapat yung mga kamay na yan ay talagang holding hands sa kapartner ninyo till death do us. Okay ba yun, Kevin and Roseanne?
Opo.
Okay, palakpakan po natin silang dalawa.
When you were dreaming, I looked in, I saw everything, I saw fresh new grass that's growing, it's growing. You got a big, big heart. It's showing. I never knew you like that. It's something quite special. I'm addicted to getting on your level. Never wanted to make it all blue. I just wanted to get into bed. I'm walking through sweet, sweet memories I keep for now.
I promise to grow old with you.
I remember
Yan lang. I promise to grow old with you.
times we laughed. I remember
You make life lighter, funnier, and a whole lot weirder in the best ways I could not imagine.
lovers by night.
Pangako, sa bawat kulit mo sabay ang hilig. Sa bawat tampu mo, may lambing akong baon. At higit sa lahat, pangako, ako lang ang magiging certified kulit partner mo habang buhay. No return, no exchange.
Palakpakan natin si Roseanne. Oo naman, no? Oo, kasi legal na ito.
Opo.
Palakpakan po muli natin si Kevin at Roseanne. Kaya tatanungin ko si Kevin, Kevin, hindi ka ba napilitan?
Hindi po.
Hindi, palakpakan natin si Kevin.
Napilitan.
Roseanne, wala bang pumilit sa'yo?
Ako po yung pumilit.
Oh, si Roseanne pumilit. Palakpakan po natin si Roseanne.
Game.
That I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Let them say we're crazy. I don't care about that. Put your hand in my hand, baby. Don't ever look back at the world around us.
Tatanungin ko si Kevin, ano? Willing ka bang ibigay ang 101% nakita mo kay Roseanne?
We can build this thing together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of love, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Tingin na nga kayo sa ano, sa mata at mata. Sabihin mo kay Kevin, kay Roseanne, walang iwanan. Sabay kayo, 1, 2, 3.
O, walang iwanan.
Palakpakan po natin silang dalawa.
1, 2, 3.
Ngayon naman po ay maririnig po natin ang kanila pong sumpaan.
Yan na po.
Put your arms around me, baby. Don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build
You are my best friend, my favorite weirdo, and the only person I trust to laugh at my jokes, even when they're terrible.
We'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. Ooh, all that I need is you.
Kahit anong mangyari, walang mag-iwanan, walang maghihiwalayan na mag-asawa. Basta alam mo yung goal, yung purpose, bakit mo pinakasalan yan, bakit mo gustong mapangasawa yan.
Forever, forever and ever. Hey!
Mabuhay po ang bagong kasal! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
We can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers,
Congrats. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po sa pagpunta mo.
nothing's gonna stop us.
I, Rose Ann.
I,
Duclayan.
Kevin Ramos Colombres,
Thank you, Kevin Ramos.
take you
Columbres,
Rose and Duclayan Ong
to be my wedded God-sent
wife.
husband.
Nothing's gonna stop us.
Kita, pingipira. Wala, yakap na lang. Kita ko yakap ko sa'yo. To have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poor, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part. Kamu kulit.